Today I'm taking a look at the turbo fan. So it does come with a manual. And we've got our fan. That is a very neat looking carbon fiber look to it. Keep away from skin hair. Oh, that's weird. The adhesive they use kind of leaves a residue on the handle, so we'll have to find a way to clean that off. I'm going to get some goo gone, but for right now we can just test it to make sure that it still works. So we got our power port there on the side. We got our trigger here on the front. And press and hold to make it go. That has got quite a bit of power to it. So we got, looks like a metal fan in there. Our fan goes back. I believe this nozzle is going to be removable. So yes, that is a twist and remove. And can't really tell what else is in there. Nice. Even without the nozzle on there, that thing still pushes quite a bit of air. So you got to press and hold to turn it on, and then a tap to turn it off. You also got a carrying pouch. You got a charging cable, it's USB-A to USB-C. You got a handful of cleaning brushes. So combined with this would be a nice kit for cleaning out the interior of a vehicle. And then just an unreasonably powerful little fan. So I like that this has a variable speed on it, so if we're working on something like this, has a very pleasant, simple airflow to it. So whenever we're working on delicate equipment, we don't want to damage it, this is going to be excellent for that, but if we just need that extra oomph, like I can feel this thing pushing away from me. This is a very strong little fan. Cool. So I reviewed a lot of these little turbo fans recently. 200,000 RPM I think is the fastest to date. I think the thing I like about this one right now is just the design. Like the way that this thing feels in the hand. There's no sharp edges on it. A lot of them, they try to make them look slick by having those sharp edges. I think this is just a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more pleasing. So overall, that is an excellent fan.